community undergoes a problem of unreliable supply of chicken, and that is why I came up with the initiative of setting up a brooding and inbreeding system unit in Eden 2 in my business center. Why I came up with the initiative is that one, the breeding and the brooding unit is so important because it caters for 1 day old chick to 1 month. And also the second importance is that I'm raising local breeds, that is the broilers, local indigenous breeds, which is most important in Rhino camp, following the harsh condition that we have in Rhino camp, and it is adaptable to the climate that we have. My uniqueness is that when customers come to my place to buy maybe the chicks and the chicks products, the chicken products like the eggs, I always tell them, I also educate them about the importance of manure, which is also important in our areas because one, we have infertility of the soil, which is also affecting the community. So I'm also advising them to also buy the manures from my place, like the waste of the chicken. So how I make the manure is that I dig a hole and I bury the waste of the chicken with some dry grass. So after 1 month, the manure will be ready. And when you spread them also on the soils, it also improves on the soil fertility. Since we are farmers, we are dealing with agriculture in general. So my competitive advantage is that I have these chick masters, Umia, which they are not here in Eden Zone. So this has given me the chance and the opportunity to supply chicken in Eden. I want to say that currently, I am keeping 50 birds at home locally, and I'm also supplying my customers at the restaurants. Like right now, I have 4 restaurants that are buying chicken and chicken products from me, like the eggs. And I also supply households or individuals within Rhino Camp, the partners, the NGOs, they also buy some products from my place. So my target customers are the refugee households with the nationals and the restaurants, and also the nearby places like Ochia and other camps that are near us here. So also about the finance, like 1 day old chick, I sell it at 2,500, and 1 month old chick, I sell it at 10,000. I am keeping 50 birds, and in a month, I am getting like 500,000 for 1 month old chick. Yeah. So for the budget, right now in the business, because I'm still running in small scale, and I am looking for 7.2 million. Right now I have 1.2 million, 1.1. I have 1.1 and I am looking for 7.2 million for the business. And if I am given this money, I want to extend, first of all, my space, because right now the space is small. I want to increase on the space, and also I want to increase on the chicks. From 50, I want to be able to raise 500 chicks. And if I am given the money like the 7.2 million, I want to buy chicks worth 3 million, and also the feeds at 2 million. Then I will also use part of the money, like 1.5 million for transport, and also I will use the 300,000 for maybe also going and seeking for some skills from other people who know better. Thank you. Right now, I have engaged 2 people in the business. One is my mother, and the other one is my brother.
Which breeds send some more faster, and how we deal with?
Okay. In the business, I have broilers and I have coilers, of which the broilers go faster than the coilers. One, I am in VSLA group of saving, and I'm also keeping my money in VSLA. Yeah, and the other one is also I'm keeping my money with the big businessmen that are having businesses also in Eden, that I know that if I go to them, they will be able to give me back my money when I want to use.